A dream under the stars. On a quiet night, the moonlight is quietly illuminating the ground. The gentle wind gently shakes the leaves of the trees, and the sound of insects heard from a distance plays a pleasant harmony. In this silence, you slowly take a deep breath and relax your body. Close your eyes and imagine the blue sky spreading in your heart. There, countless stars shine and watch over you gently. The light of the stars will illuminate your heart and gently wash away all anxiety and fatigue. It's okay, you don't have to worry about anything anymore. The stars are whispering. In front of you, there is a quiet lake, and the surface of the water is sparkling with the moonlight. You sit on the shore of the lake and feel your heart unraveling little by little. The sounds around you gradually become distant, and your consciousness is invited to a deeper place. Everything is going well. I'm enjoying this moment right now, murmured in your heart. The sound of gentle waves echoes from the back of the lake. The sound is like a melody that leads you to a dream. According to the rhythm of the waves, you slowly close your eyelids and fall into a deeper and deeper sleep. Now you are ready to have a gentle dream under the stars. Relax and give yourself to a comfortable sleep.